A for apricot.
A for apricot.
B for ball.
B for ball.
C for Caiman.
C for Caiman.
D for dolphin.
D for dolphin.
E for eagle.
E for eagle.
F for falcon.
F for falcon.
G for jackfruit.
G for jackfruit.
H for halibut.
H for halibut.
I for eyes.
I for eyes.
J for jelly column.
J for jelly column.
K for Paw Paw fruit.
K for Paw Paw fruit.
L for lamb.
L for lime.
M for mango.
M for mango.
N for nose.
N for nuts.
O for orange.
O for orange.
P for pepper fruit.
P for pepper
Q
fruit.
for coins.
Q for queens.
R for red banana.
R for red banana.
S for saffron fruit.
S for saffron fruit.
T for tangerine.
T for tangerine.
U for yuzu.
U for yuzu.
V for vampire crab.
B for vampire crab.
W for yellowfish.
W for yellowfish.
X for x-ray.
X for X-ray.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra. Please subscribe to my channel.